Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's get started with this week's video. So we are on Bank Nifty chart and this is a monthly time frame. So a lot of people might be thinking, why always Bank Nifty? See, I would say that if you want to practice in the market and become perfect at one thing, that can give you that can generate income for you lifelong. So always practice with one script, and you have to choose a script which is suitable for your personality. Like, you should be able to know the movement of that, because every stock or an index or a script is run by a particular promoter, and that promoter's mindset will definitely match with some other person's mindset. So you have to find the stock which you can understand. Like, wherever you see that yes, buying is going to come, that time buying should come. So mostly if you're accurate 90% of the time, then you can say that yes, this stock behaves like the way I want. So you should always try to find a stock like that and work on it. For me, Bank Nifty has been like that, and I trade in options, and options requires liquidity. So liquidity is always available in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So index, Bank Nifty is my favorite. That's why most of the big traders trade Bank Nifty with options, especially in selling. So we are on a monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame, we can see that after this prediction what we made, the market has moved up heavily from that side, and this has come to a point where there is previous resistance. Okay, now the market is into this zone. Okay, 30,900. This can be the level 31190 till 32720. This is one of the major resistance level. So let's draw a line. Can draw it from here to here. Let's mark the top. Top is 32,792. So this becomes our level. Okay, now it's already touched this line, and there is a small amount of sell-off which has happened. So now let's go to a different time frame, which is a weekly time frame. So now, as you can see, this candle has exactly touched this level and it's forming a spinning top. Now there is one more interesting thing which I want you to notice. See the volume. What has happened to the volume? The volume has been in the decreasing trend, whereas the price, if you see the price has been going up from here, right? So they are both in the opposite direction. The price is moving up, but the volumes are decreasing, and now there is a spinning top at the top. So we can expect some kind of correction in the market in the coming week. So let's look at this on a daily time frame. What is the scenario? Daily time frame, let's draw a fresh trend line. From here, let's mark these levels. As you can see, there is one level here, and after that 4 consecutive candles, market has let me find a pattern tool which is not available here. Anyways, we'll use horizontal line. So you can see this level, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles have formed here. narrow range NR7. So this is also a concept. In narrow range 7 candles, definitely there can be an up move or there can be a down move, but the volume what we are seeing right now shows that there is a possibility that there can be a huge movement from this side, and the super trend has already given an entry for long about this level. After this, the market never came down till the super trend level. So that's how bullish is the market, and it's reached to its previous top where it was before Corona. So it's a nice setup, and if you have been through this entire journey, then you can easily understand and understand the huge crash and huge recovery in the market. And this 1 year experience is equal to about almost 8 to 10 years of experience for you, and this kind of volatility is not common. Okay, so if you have sustained and made money during this kind of times, then obviously you can stay in the market for longer run and definitely make income out of it. So this is about Bank Nifty on a higher time frame, daily time frame. Let's have a look at it from a 3-minute chart. Let's see how it has done on Friday. On Friday, market opened up with a red bar, with a huge bar, and the CPR also was very narrow, and then market started coming down with good volumes, and here there was a reversal pattern. As you can see, this green candle has taken out this red candle completely on this bar. So on this bar would have been your entry, and this would have been your stop loss, and then this was your target till these levels. Or you can get out at VWAP also. That can be also your first level. But if you have sustained the whole day, keeping this as your stop loss, then this would have been your maximum what you could have earned in this trade. Simple, we are able to find the low. This was the low of the day and the stop loss was here, and the market went up continuously. But it's very difficult to identify this during the markets, but you have to have a simple rule that this pattern has formed below this low. I'll have like 5 to 10 points below this stop loss and then start moving up, and after it crossed VWAP, maybe if you trail the stop loss, you'll get out here in this candle, and again the market started moving up. So it's always better if you find this kind of a pattern, and if you create a debit spread, buy a call, sell a 200 point or 300 point of a call, then you don't have to worry about stop loss getting hit. The loss is always limited and profit will go as far as the market can go, and you can hold it if you find it really bullish for the next day also. So that's how debit spreads and credit spreads work, and that's the reason most of the people, big traders and institutions, go for these kind of strategies. Now let's I'll teach you something new today, and this is the entire F&O list of stocks. And if you want to do trading and try to scan on a daily basis, how do you do that? So we have a plain setup here. Okay, there's a proper candlestick patterns. I'm sure it will be difficult for you to actually go and search for stocks. So what we do is we put up a predefined template here. I have a template here which I'll explain to you. So let's see. So I have a template. What is this template about? This has about 3 super trends: 14-2, 10-3, 7-3. Okay, these are the 3 super trends, and now the time frame is about 3 minutes, but let me show it to you on a bigger time frame, which is a daily time frame. So simple rule: if the stock is above this 3, it's in bullish trend, we look out for bullish entries. If the stock is below these 3, it's a bearish trend, and we look out for a reversal for a bearish entry. Okay, simple rule. So now let's go and analyze to see which stock is bullish and which stock is bearish. So what do you think about ACC? ACC is neither bullish nor bearish. It is in sideways. Any stock which is in between these lines, you can identify it sideways. Then Adani Enterprises, you can say this is definitely bullish, and you should see it gave the entry here on a daily time frame, went up. Again, there was a second entry here. It retraced to this level and went up. From there, it has been going up. Okay, so that's how you identify the stocks if you are scanning. See, here is the entry. Amar Raja Battery, bullish. Sideways, Apollo Hospital, bullish. Apollo Tires, bullish. Asian Paints, bullish. Good time to enter. Asian Paints, super bullish. Oro Pharma is also bullish. Good time to enter. Axis Bank, wait. Super bullish. Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, bullish. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, both are bullish. Balkrishna Industries, wait till you see a green candle at this level. Bank Baroda, wait. Bank Nifty, super bullish, wait on this. Bata India, wait. Bharat Forge, I'm also combining a candlestick knowledge here. You can also add a volume here so that your decision will be more accurate if you combine it with all the factors. Bullish, trend is bullish, trend is bullish, but we have to wait. This is super bullish, trend is sideways, bullish, hold, bullish, but still it has to clear this level. Coal India, good time if you can buy. This is Coal India, good time you can buy if it is a green candle. Coalpal is also bullish. Conquer is sideways. Humans India is super bullish. Dabur, so like this, Dabur is in sideways. Let's see Grasim. Grasim is also bullish, but it is, the volumes are decreasing, so there can be a reversal from here. Havels, bullish. HCL Tech, bullish. HDFC is also bullish. HDFC Bank is bearish. Sideways, bullish sideways. This is sideways. Sideways. Hindalco is bullish, but this red candle you have to wait for it to be taken out. If I say ICICI Bank, bullish. So like this you can search all the stocks basis this in the index and see which ones you want to buy. See, the Titan stock has given here entry. So this way you can analyze it for your portfolio and buy these stocks and sit tight till it breaks this super trend. Okay, and the accuracy will be good, because once you take an entry here, keep your stop loss, mental stop loss here, that if the stock crosses below this 3, then I will exit. That should be your rule. The same applies to you in intraday. If you are doing an intraday, just take a short entry when this breaks, or after this breaking, if you find a candle like this, you should always add. And then it gave a bullish breakout here. Okay, the moment it hits here, you're out of the trade, and then go for a long trade like this. You have to trade like this on this setup. Here there is a bearish entry, you got nicely 227 till 224. 3 rupees here made. Voltas. Let's see Bank Nifty also on this same strategy. The Bank Nifty has given an entry here, then it could have gone till here. There was a bearish entry here, it came down till here, and you're out here. This is sideways, sideways, sideways. Whole day you don't have to trade. Here, the trend confirmation above 3 lines, then you go long. That's how you have to simple trade. So these kind of setups you can make a lot of setups like this, lot of combinations. You can use RSI, you can use MACD, you can use super trends, you can use moving averages. You name it, as per your personality, your comfort, you can design your own strategy and stick to that strategy. Don't keep changing the strategy. You know, this strategy is not working, that I'm going to put. So all the strategies will have similar kind of accuracy only if you have the risk management strategy. Why setup is important? Because you are trading with rules, and your rules will be like simple. After breakout, if the stock crosses below this line, I'm going to exit. So here your stop loss would have been triggered and you're out of the trade. And here again, after you enter and the stop loss below this, you could have covered all your losses. So like this, you have to trade with the setup. If your risk is 1%, reward is always 2% or 3%. 1:3, 1:4, 1:2, 1:1, and it should not go below 1. Then your risk management is actually giving you money. It is not your trading capacity, trading style or trading setup. Even if your setup is giving 50% with 1:2, already your 1 is getting doubled. So even that case you will make money. So follow the rules, and rules are the most important thing which can give you money for long term. Without rules, if you trade with any setup, any strategy, any big trainer you get trained, you will never make money if you don't follow the risk management. Okay guys, that's it for this week, and hope you like this video and like the new setup. Please do subscribe to the channel and comment if you like this kind of videos. I'll try making more videos on these kind of setups and get you more insights in the market. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.